Unreal Image Sequence Material Builder. Complete walkthrough. The plugin setup is very straightforward, so we only have 2 chapters for this walkthrough. If you still have questions, check out the FAQs, or use the contact form on the shop page. The Movies folder. In your Unreal Projects content folder, you first have to create a Movies folder. Then move your Image Sequence folder inside that new one. When Unreal asks if you want to import those objects as assets, click Don't Import. Creating the material. Once you added the Image Sequence folder to your project folder, you can trigger the setup by right-clicking into your content drawer and choose Media. And then, HAYWOOD Image Sequence Material Builder. Within the appearing pop-up, Create Image Sequence Material, browse for your image sequence. Select the first frame of the image sequence. The look ahead is in seconds and based on the frame rate. It will determine the number of frames that will be loaded into RAM. 0 will leave the default settings applied. If you experience any playback or render issues, you can try to increase it and see if things improve, otherwise leave it as it is. We have added a warning to the OK button, in case the path you choose is not in the default Movies folder. This warning also appears when you choose a file in a subfolder of that Movies folder. Sorry for the bug, in that case, ignore this warning. But if you actually did select a location outside of the content folder, then please close this dialog, and first create a folder called Movies in your project's content folder, like described in the Movies folder section, and then restart the Builder dialog. After clicking OK, name the media player asset, and all other assets will inherit that naming. After the auto-creation process of all these assets is done, you can easily place the material on your object, and run the pre-made sequencer. That's Unreal Image Sequence Material Builder, one dialog to create an image sequence material. Get it now on haywood.tools, and make your life easier and your projects better.